Hi guys, I'm gonna do a quick BTC USD technical analysis. Since you guys might be wondering whether this is going to continue to go up or not, probably. I've drawn it out already here. Apparently, Bitcoin is in a descending channel. As you can see, it's making lower highs and lower lows, and now it's heading towards to retest the resistance once again. So what now? Well, we've already established that Bitcoin is probably going towards 35k region. So having that in mind, and descending channels are bearish trends, so what they tend to do is making more lower highs and more lower lows. So this is what I think the most probable prediction would be in the immediate term. So for this, if you want to see the structure that we've been talking about, right, that goes down, heads towards resistance structure, creating a gap here, and then like here it goes towards down. However, as you can see, you cannot see it here. You will have to go to the shorter time frames to be able to see that. Pretty much just like here, went down, went towards creating a gap, and further down. So that's pretty much it. How do you know whether this is going up? Right, there's a chance that this is going up. That's why we do not sell here. Once you see candles closing above the resistance line, like that, something like that, then you know this is probably gonna continue like that. So that's why. So probably you wanna enter somewhere here, around the 45k region when that happens. Otherwise, you might want to do anything at all. Just wait until it hits the 35k, and then well, you already know what you're supposed to do, right? Wait for the structure to happen. Finding support at 35k region, bouncing back up, heading towards support once again, however not reaching it, and then buy in somewhere there. The thing is with descending channels, they also tend to become bull flags. They have a high probability of breaking bullish, actually, just like this. So there's a big chance this is going to happen. It also might continue like that, of course. But most of the time, channels eventually they break out to the upside. I haven't seen it happening a lot of times, not breaking out to the going like this. I haven't seen it ever happening before. So I'm not saying it's not possible. I'm just saying I've never experienced it before. I have experienced it when it was a rising channel. Instead of expecting it to break down, of course, since it's the opposite way around, it went actually up. So that was quite surprising when I experienced that for the first time. That was well, apparently, like we've stated before, it's never 100% chance. There's always a probability, even if it's low, either 20% or 10%, doesn't matter. Chance is chance. All right. So when this happens, that means this pattern will be completed, and then most probable way is either we can reject it once again here and here, keeps consolidating, or it breaks through. We see it by candles closing above this resistance line, and then yeah, you could probably enter somewhere the 45k region. And this also means for other cryptocurrency, of course, since breakouts when this happened, most of the time, like 90% of the time, most of the cryptocurrencies, especially the top 100, I guess, they they increases as well. They break out to the upside as well. So make sure you don't do anything irrational. Always think about the probabilities you have. Are they high or low? In this case, I believe this is going to get rejected here. Heading towards 35k afterwards. And then go up. And when we do a measured move up here, that means it would be something like that. Yeah, that's heading towards. That means it would break through this resistance. Yeah, and then when we extrapolate or measure move here from here. Dang. 100k, see that? 100k, there we go. That should be somewhere around before May. Cool. And then we might see this rising wedge breaking out to the upside, and you'll see that I was right about rising wedges, that it does not always break out bearish. And there are multiple examples for that when you backtest Bitcoin, so I would definitely recommend that if you ever have the time. Alright, so now that we've established the pattern formations, let's see what ME2 and ME1 has to say. Looks like money flow is decreasing, which is very bearish. This might turn into a bearish divergence. Let's see. Let's check the daily. The daily is looking bearish here. It's still below the zero line, the money flow. However, it does wants to go up, and might not. We will see. Money flow velocity is decreasing. Well, this bearish divergence also played out already, of course, so it had to cool down. Hence this trigger a signal. So I'm guessing it's gonna do something like this, right? Converging bullish divergence here, and then when this goes up, oh my goodness, this so it might actually do this, right? nice again. It's probably gonna cross like that eventually. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. Everything is looking according to what we've been predicting. So yeah, this is looking pretty bearish, especially thanks to this signal. This signal is very bearish. Yeah. So we're gonna wait for this golden cross here to happen somewhere, and then we're good to go. Oh yeah. Alright guys, remember, always remember, the trend is your friend until the end. And be careful. Peace.